The next comic, he's new, he's hot, he's damn funny. I'd like to call out Siddharth Punecha.
Yeah. Come on. Hi guys, my name is Siddharth and can we make more noise than the people at the back? Whoa! Okay, anyways guys, I hate going to malls. I'm sure everybody goes to malls. You go to malls, right? You look like a nice guy person. Yeah? Everybody goes to malls, I hate waiting at malls, because, there are these coolers right next to each other. And you're waiting, you press up button, upar jana hai, and you're just doing this. It's like a PT exercise in school. And you're like, that lift will come, this lift will come, and then that one comes. You go there, and you realize that lift is going down. And then you have to go back, there's already someone else standing there. It's like a game of musical chairs happening right there, And I hate waiting, it's like a competition of like the government offices and like these malls on who can, make you wait for a longer time. I feel that, government offices should actually have, small booths right outside these lifts, So at least, till the time you're waiting for the lift, you can actually get a passport made, but not in Dhaka, okay? Don't fucking expect a lot. Yeah, and then comes the parking lots. Those parking lots are huge. I think if malls were in the 70s, there would be an Amar Akbar Anthony in the parking lot, where एक तूफानी रात थी, and अमर के योगा time. और गुम हो गया and Amar is just lost, and Amar comes back after like 20 years and his brother Akbar and Anthony are asking him, अरे कहाँ था तू इतना time? He's like कुछ नहीं, मैं PVR के parking lot में गुम हो गया था. And earlier, all these places where you park your cars, like there's a P1, P2, P3. Now there are these different combinations, permutations like A, 3 for 7, 5, C4, 6, G6. Okay. and I think Aryabhatta came up with the pie because of the parking lot. Like one day Aryabhatta went for went to the mall. He's like, मैंने कार कहाँ park किया? Let's check the number. PI 3.14156279. That's pi, okay? Right? Little like 6 digits. No one cares, man. Nobody went to school or what? Yeah, and then anyways, then I hate the wash basins, like earlier we had normal wash basins where you open the tap and you just wash your hands. It's simple, right? Now they have these, weird ones, like a rectangular and a cylindrical and an oval, like, you have to sit with a geometry set like protractor and compass and make them like what is the square root of Hindware or the cube of Jaguar, and like all that stuff. And then comes the worst, the worst is the one with the sensor, the wash basins. I'm sure everyone knows that. The one where you put your hand, it hangs for 2 seconds just like a BlackBerry phone, yeah? And then it starts coming, and that has 2 varieties in it, One is called the Lagan, where it teases you, just a few droplets of water come and they go back. It's called the Lagan. And the other one is called the Punjabi Mom. Where you put your hand, it starts coming, okay? You wash your hands, done. You clean your utensils, done. Fucking have a bath, done. Then Aman Verma walks in with a half extra. Then it stops. He's like, नहीं मुझे ऐसे नहीं छूना है. Thank you guys, that was my set.